What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how I'm going to do this custom wig. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have a 20-inch 613 unit, and I'm gonna color the unit. We're gonna figure out the color and stuff, but the inspo is right here, and I'm gonna just show y'all the process of how I do it. So I got this bowl of regular water. So I got this 20-inch unit. It's HD laced. All of my units are HD laced. I didn't search. Okay, so this is what I am going to be recreating. And she wants this color. So I did this wig for Valentine's Day, and she wants this color. I mix colors. I don't even remember how I got that color out. So I want to prep the lace and whatnot before I get started by putting some conditioner.
Baby, every night I go drive me psycho. Every duty that they make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. When I come in there, you are that looking in your eyes. Oh, show you many things you can utilize. Oh,
I'm gonna do a test color.
Like, oh, show you everything when I utilize. Oh, true that make you utilize. Oh, yeah, the one we dance, they will go revive. Oh, give you many things we could they make you dance. Oh, yeah, they'll make you back up to the standing mic. With this phone ring and he never call you back, you should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad, it ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. And I love you every day.
Okay, y'all, so I am back at my shop. I washed the pink wig that we colored yesterday, and this is what she's looking like. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get to styling her as y'all seen the inspo before. So off of Amazon, and I've done this style before when I did the hearts. I did that earlier this year for Valentine's Day, so now I'm doing the stars, and I got some braiding hair as well that I'm gonna color. I should have did it yesterday, but I didn't. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so now I'm about to work on styling and molding the wig. The main thing is those ponytails, and yeah, let's get into it. When I did the hearts, I put them on a headband.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low main is child for now. Child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now. Child. Yeah, she make it shake. Bringing that bait till the bait break. Wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always
when I colored the synthetic braiding hair, I should have known. I don't know why, but you know, it don't hurt to try. This is to show you guys what not to do and what to do. As soon as I started rinsing it out, the color came out. And I didn't like how the color was turning out either. So what I'm gonna do is just take some bundle out from the back of the wig, and we're gonna use it to wrap around the stars. If you want to, you could take tracks out of the back of the wig, or you can get you an extra 613 bundle. So y'all, I got the stars wrapped. They're a little light pink. So I took some bundles out of the back and I'm going to add them on top so that it looks full. And I know y'all see like extra flyaways. This hair that I wrapped is not human hair. The other hair that I'm gonna wrap is, but I'm gonna just blow dry it with a blow dryer to make the flyaways go away.
The bed in the room, but no ask for it. Like you said, me and give your girl sit down on it. Open the bench and me start it. But if it is a land, me I go park it. Left it a carnation in the market. Combine up your time to sip on a cocky. Long till the bed like banana. Combine up your time to sip on a cocky. Long till the bed like banana.
Okay, y'all. Final results.